Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back to International Opportunity Hub. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting scholarship opportunity, that is a graduate school of the Stowers Institute for Medical Research Program. So this program is an intensive research internship at the Stowers Institute for Medical Research for those interested in a research career. This is a full-time research under the guidance and supervision of a principal investigator or a senior member of the lab. All scholars are required to attend weekly scientific seminar on an array of research topics. So the dates for this application are open on 1st October 2025. You can apply until 16 January 2026. The program will be begin in 1st June 2026 and will end on July 24, 2026. So application is still open. You will experience an independent research project under the direction of a principal investigator. Immersion in a Stewart laboratory with a highly interactive and collaborative research environment, experimental access to the latest technique, intellectual and social opportunity with other scholars, laboratory studying fundamental biological process in the field of. You will get $5,000 salary, round trip transportation between school and Kansas City, accommodation near the Stewart campus, and group activities around the Kansas City. Program eligibility criteria: you must full-time available during the entire program. Complete 1 year of undergraduate study by the start of the program. 18 year of age. Enroll a just graduate from a degree granting undergraduate program in biology, biochemistry, molecular biology, genetics, chemistry, physics, computing, engineering, mathematics, or a related field. Open to domestic and international students. Open to previous summer scholars also. Students enrolled in a PhD or master medical program are not eligible to apply for this program. These enrolled in a BSR master program must be within the first 4 years of the program, equivalent to the US undergraduate program. So what you will need to apply: your biological information, your biographical information, previous laboratory experience essay, statement of interest, your personal statement, and your 2 letter of recommendations. All applicants will be contacted by email whether they are selected or not for this program. International applicants who are accepted for the Stowers Summer Scholar Program will work with Stowers Immigration Service on the visa application process. The admission committee participants in the interview and other decision makers do not have access to the demographic data collected through the application process. So, dear, you can apply here. Go and click here, apply now. First of all, you have to create your account here. Your name, your contact information, your user password, and after that you can sign in your account. I am going to sign in my account because I already make my account. So dears, these are the program that will be started in 2026. You can apply here, check according to this program. For example, this is Doctor of Philosophy program in microbiology. 31st January is the last day to apply for this program. You can check the requirement and all other things. There is a huge number of program are also available here for the 2026 program, and also with along the deadline. So my dear friends, must apply here if you are eligible for this program. Apply on this research program. Thank you so much guys for your support. Take care. Allah Hafiz.